Morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about digital marketing and the use of AI. As we all know, AI has simplified our lives in many ways. So we're going to see how it can helps in digital marketing. So first of all, we will talk about solving a very massive amount of data. As we all know, human cannot manually process millions of data points effectively, and AI can do that at a much faster speed. AI achieves at least 25% improvement in customer targeted accuracy, and also AI can answer instantly. Now, moving on to the next slide, we can tell that every customer interaction, the AI has improved the interaction with each customer. Like we can tell the use of ChatGPT, Copilot AI, every AI has improved the customer interaction, and we meet rising customer demands with hyper personalized digital experiences at scale. Now, we all have high expectation from the AI as we have already understood how AI works. So, even meeting our demands is very difficult and it needs constant upgradation of AI system. So, also there is a huge amount of revenue which is generated from the AI as every people are using it. So actually there are many people who are buying the premiums and who are using the premium features, who are getting access and they are paying the amount. So there is a huge revenue generation and also there is a huge amount of boost in last 10 years. So now moving on to the next slide, we're going to talk about how fast we can create content using the AI. So with AI tools, now the content creation has become much faster. Maybe it the time reduced by 59% and increased output by 77%. So marketers who spends hours making strategy can now easily use AI to make their work much faster, and AI also reduced 59% in content creation time and thus increasing productivity. Means actually the marketers and every content creators can save hours of time in their life and which they can use for other productive work. So AI has definitely helped us in making our digital marketing much faster. Next, moving on to the next slide, we're going to talk about what we are seeing today. The trends. As we all know, the predictive model forecast revenue impact before it actually occurs. So there are risks, but AI has made that possible. AI has taken up every possible way to give up the best possible solution in every case. It has been studied multiple times. So according to our future trends, we can tell that AI is becoming more predictable and AI can give much better answer even than before. Now, moving on to the next slide, we can tell that we can support this AI can support endlessly all the time, means 24/7 we can get support from AI 24/7. Like human need 6 7 hours sleep, but AI never. We can contact AI at any time. So AI tools always decreases the customer response time by 40%. It also reduces the customer service cost over 35 to 50% in many companies as they're introducing the AI agentic tool which are making their work much faster. And also 40% of the enterprise will embed AI system by 2026. Already many companies are using AI models and in the future there will be many companies which will be adding in the near future. Moving on to the next slide, we will be talking about the return on ads. Means what? The amount we get. The AI companies, the marketers, what the benefit they get. Now marketer uses AI for making prediction and AI has been trained multiple times. So AI can give much accurate prediction. So the return of investment is also very high using AI. Now it also reduces customer acquisition cost by 37%, and also AI optimized content are much better than just normal traditional content creation. So it makes the content creation much better. The experience which the user get after watching the content is also much better than the normal ones. So AI definitely gives us more than 300% in return. Now moving on to the next slide, we can reclaim our creative time using AI. We can spend 2 to 3 hours daily to understand how AI work. Now, using this, marketer can save up to 5 to 10 hours daily by using AI. This AI not only actually make the repetitive task faster, but also help in many productive case by providing solution. It also helps us in future automation. Means almost 71% expect over 25% of the workload automated by 2028. Means there will be a the all the hard works, all the difficult works will be done by AI, and human will just control it. So moving on to the next slide, we are going to talk about the mandatory ages in 2026. We all need to move according to the AI. And AI is very, very essential. So we all need to move according to the AI. And coming on to the next slide, now as we can tell that AI have saved many of our time, and it's a high time to know use generative AI. Moving on to the last slide of our PPT, it tells that building the future together. AI can help us to build the future together because AI is everywhere. AI is the last future option. It can develop, it can make changes, it can do anything possible, and that is what we are going to, and this is how we will end the video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.